Namaste everyone. I hope you all are happy, healthy, and safe. After successfully completing block number 3, we are going to start block number 4, that is food for plants. This is first video of block number 4. So today in this part of the block we are going to learn that plants need air and water to make its food. Also, the plants need sunlight to make their own food. There are many questions running in my mind. Why do we need food? Do all living things need food? What will happen if we do not get food? Where do we get food from? And how do plants get their food? So there I thought of the answers to these questions which we already know because we have studied about them. But the question is, what do plants need to make their food? Can they make their food using nothing? Because we don't give them anything. So let's observe these two plants. Plant A, which is unwatered for 4 to 5 days. It looks very weak and almost dying. Now comes plant B, which is kept in airtight box with no air. It is also very weak and almost died. So in both the situations, the plants were died because of not getting food, which concludes that plants need both air and water to make food. So let's try our hands-on activity, children. Take two plants, keep them in different situations for 4 to 5 days and then observe them. Write your observations in your rough notebook. But again, the questions: which part of the plant make food and how can you know that leaves make food? These questions are occurring in my mind again and again. The food is made in the leaves of the plant and the leaves are food factory of the plants. We can check this by starch test. Plants make food in the form of starch, and when we put iodine solution on something having starch, it will turn blue-black. Let's see now. For doing this test, we'll be taking two leaves, one covered with black tape and one which is uncovered and getting the sunlight. Let's see how it is.
To show that starch is present in the leaves. Materials required: healthy potted plant, alcohol, iodine solution, dropper, forceps, tripod stand with wire gauge, Bunsen burner, 2 beakers with water, watch glass, test tube. Process: take a healthy potted plant and keep it in the sunlight for a few hours. After a few hours, pluck a green leaf from the plant. Now boil this leaf in water to kill it. After boiling in water, again boil it in alcohol. The purpose of boiling leaf in alcohol is that it dissolves greenish part, that is chlorophyll. Then wash the leaf in cold water and place it in a watch glass. Now pour some drops of iodine solution over it. Observation: the leaf turns blue. Conclusion: this shows that starch is present in the leaf.
So the leaf which was covered, it did not have starch because it was not getting sunlight, so it was not able to make food. Now it is the time for asking questions, children. Write the answers to these questions in your rough notebook. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any query, you can text, call, or send it to me. Thank you, children.